Ever seen a bird with way too many legs? This is a jacana, and no, it's not a mutant. Those extra legs belong to its babies, hiding safely under its wings. Jacanas are also called Jesus birds because they seem to walk on water. They have super long toes that spread their weight, letting them walk on floating vegetation. Here's a cool twist in jacana families. The females are larger and have multiple mates. The males do all the chick raising while the females defend the territory. And those chicks are masters of camouflage. When in danger, they dive under dad's wings, giving the illusion of extra legs. Nature's little magicians. Follow for more fun animal facts.